Did you know that there are more than just one type of scissor to choose from? Traditional scissors aren't always the most appropriate for our students with disabilities. Keep watching to learn about various styles of adaptive scissors, why we need them, and how to use them. Hi art teachers, I'm Erin Smith. I am an adaptive art specialist in Virginia. We are practicing our cutting exercises all the time in the art room. So it's important to have a variety of scissors for every need. These are loop scissors. Loop scissors can assist individuals with limited mobility or hand strength. They have these large looped handles that allow students to cut using a full hand squeeze motion. This makes for easier cutting with less effort. They are spring-loaded and open automatically after each cut. This reduces the strain on students' hands. These are electric button switch scissors. These are best for students who are able to hold on to the base and push a button. These work especially well for students who are good at the pushing away motion. These are tabletop scissors. These scissors are great for students who are awesome at using an up and down motion with their hand, and these scissors are best used for cutting straight lines. These are pushdown scissors. These pushdown scissors are another variation of the tabletop scissors, but with another option. Students can hold using an open-close fist motion, or they can scoot the scissors across the table during use. These are button-adapted electric scissors. These scissors are wonderful for students with limited movement. It gives the student an opportunity to be engaged in the cutting activity, even if they are unable to grip traditional or even adaptive scissors. These are dual control training safety scissors. These are designed to allow two users to operate them simultaneously for safety and training. These scissors can improve fine motor skills and increase confidence in the cutting motion. These are spring-loaded scissors. These are great for students who just need a little extra assistance getting the scissors to open back up. These scissors are also great because the spring is an option and you can turn it off if the student doesn't need it anymore. Tell us in the comments, which of these scissors are new to you? Which are you excited to try this year? And for more strategies on how to adapt art room tools and materials, enroll in Adapting the Art Room. Check the link in the description box for more information. This graduate course will help you shape your art room to meet a wide range of student needs. You will also be able to explore what an inclusive approach looks like and gain more insight on modifications and accommodations. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe so you don't miss more tips and tricks just like this.